It's so much that we could do, and there's so many, like you said, blighted areas that we could bring up. Because to watch gentrification happen is ugly. Like, I'm from New York, and they really trying to rename Harlem Soho. Like Soho downtown, Soho, like South Harlem. Like, are y'all serious? This is Harlem. This was the black Mecca at one time. And now we got $3 million condos and Whole Foods and all of this other stuff in Harlem, and they just taking over. And it's like, we gotta find those neighborhoods like that before they get into them and revitalize them ourselves.
Yeah, we definitely have to get ahead of it. And to be honest and frank, the only way we can do that is if we stick together. You know, it's easy for us to complain about a lot of things, but what I will say is, one thing for sure is that a lot of other cultures, they don't have no problem sticking together. And us as black people, I'm so grateful that I've been able to be in circles where we're very receptive of each other. We help each other, we support each other, but that's just my circle. How many people can honestly say, when they look at the people that are around right now, that these people have their back, you know? And so with that, that's something that we need to think about. We had a couple questions. One question was, do we know of anyone doing these projects in the DMV area, which is DC, Maryland, or Virginia?
Not that I know of, but I know that the ADU wave is big in DC. Like, they are very big on approving ADUs and building with containers. So we don't have any, I don't have any personal connects in the DMV area, but I know that it's being done. And containers are definitely there, and people are definitely building with them. And I know DC has been approved for ADUs, which is like the first step, especially in the putting a secondary unit somewhere where it's already a primary dwelling. The approval of ADUs is huge, and DC is already on that train. So maybe we'll be the ones to bring it to the DMV area. If somebody finds the land where they want to build, and we collaborate and get it done.